Guys, welcome. What? Okay. Guys, welcome back to this week video. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited about this week's video. A while back, I posted that okay, I'm gonna be doing a bathroom makeover. Since most of you guys know that I'm renting a space and it's quite a small space. And my bathroom makes no exception. It's quite a small bathroom, as you will see from this video. So I decided this month that I need to do some makeover and just make it look nice for me. So I did most of the things in my bathroom, like the DIYs, but I felt like this video was gonna be like so long. So that's when I decided about okay, I'm not gonna show the DIYs or how I made the stuff that's in the bathroom. I'm basically gonna show you how I decorated the bathroom and how it looks now as a bathroom makeover. And then on the next video that I'm gonna be posting on my channel, that's when I'll be showing you how I made the DIYs for my space. Forgive me for my camera, it's moving because I'm holding it with my hand. And I just woke up, but I did something with my face. But anyways, so this is my bathroom makeover. I hope you enjoy it. I will add some voiceovers on sections that I feel like they need explaining. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and please remember to subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on a cheap side. Thank you. So guys, basically this is my bathroom, and as you can see, it's very small, and the stuff that is on the side is actually the stuff that I'm gonna be using for this makeover. Forgive me for my lighting, and that is the shower right there. So basically this is my bathroom. There's nothing much else to see, but I'm sure that when I'm done with it, you will love what I come up with. So I went ahead and painted that section, and also I felt like it was going to be too much if I'm just going to show you guys painting the section. Originally the wall was gray, so I just wanted to paint it white, but the trick was I also added glitter to my white paint, so that when we turn on the lights at night, at least it glitters. So as you can see there, that's our shower head, the one that you just switch on the wall, and then it comes out hot water. So there's no geyser in this place that I'm renting. So here I just went on by putting on some contact paper, of which this one is very cheap. This was like a 20 rand a roll. I bought at Chinatown. So the section that I'm actually putting the wallpaper on, it's right in front of my toilet. I had a huge picture in front of it. So yeah. So I also bought the artificial grass. So this section, you will see where I place it, because I have a red wall and I cannot change, hence this is a renter-friendly makeover. So I just used my hot glue gun to stick this artificial grass on the wall, because I felt like the red was just too much on my face and I needed a way to tone it down so that it doesn't just stick on your face. So this was the part when I was actually sticking it on the wall, and you'll see this is how it turned out when I was done. And I like it because I love green, I love plants, although this is an artificial grass, but it does the trick. This cost me around 60 rands. So if you look at this is a yoga mat I bought at Grand China. This was, I think, 180. because I couldn't get a mat that actually fits the space for the bathroom, and it's quite cold when you get out of the shower. So I went on by sizing it so that it just fits the space, and I don't mind the parts that are overlapping because I just went on with my scissors to cut it into size so that it actually fits perfectly. And I love it because it's now warm, and when I get out of shower my feet don't get cold because of stepping onto the tiles. So now I have this yoga mat that I changed into a rug for my bathroom because I didn't want these small mats, the ones that you just place around the toilet and in front of the sink or outside the shower. So this one is perfect because it just fits in the whole space, so I don't have a lot of things onto the floor. So yes, this is why I went for this option, and it's quite soft to the feet. So guys, this one I'm excited about. So my bathroom doesn't have a hanging storage, so what I decided to do is to buy the hooks that you can put into the wall. This is a renter-friendly tip because these hooks, when you take them out, when you move out, those holes won't even show that they were there, and then you can save your deposit. After putting in the hooks, I decided to put my rope. So this rope is a rope that I had already, and the board that you see on here is a rope that it's a board that I got from Builders Warehouse originally for the canvas, but I decided to make it a shelf. So this is my hanging shelf. So when I was at Grand China, I also saw this suction shelf, and I feel like this is the perfect piece to put in the shower, as sometimes I do need to hang shower gels and the other things that we use when we actually taking a shower. So this one is perfect for the space. The original plan was to actually spray it black, but then again I felt like white is perfect as it is easy to clean. So once this is being sucked onto the tiles, there's no way of shaking it off. It just sticks onto the wall and there's no way of moving it unless you just adjust the suction that it applies onto the tile. So this one I was very happy about, and if I remember quite well, I think it was around 250 for this piece, but it works perfectly. I mean, you can also use it in your kitchen, wherever you need that extra storage. This is perfect solution for anything. So I just decided to not cut this part so that you can actually see how it is easy to install it. And once it's on the wall, like I said, there's no way of moving it. If you just twist it and then it gets sucked into the tile, it's safe. You can put even heavy items on it, it's not gonna fall off. So let me just show you how my bathroom turned out. I really love the space, and remember, it's friendly rental, so there's nothing wrong with it, and I can still take off everything when I leave the space.
It's like a crime, violent and hard. Stare at each other, eye to eye. When you're not in that picture, I feel blue. Can't imagine a world that's without you. We are rivals, that's all we are. Follow me till the dawn. Secrets you keep are so dark and heavy. Who knows what I hide deep inside of me? Sorry for nights we can explore. Oh, you feel sorry when you can erase my never complain, never explain. We are the same in all we do. I see the light and the strength within you, where the others just see darkness in you. Bring us back.